In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Unified Inbox in Meta Business Suite. If you manage a brand or a local business, the Unified Inbox is where you'll keep track of conversations from different places without jumping between apps. It brings your Facebook Messenger chats, Instagram direct messages, and post comments into one clean workspace so you can respond faster and stay organized. Let's walk through it step by step and point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to business.facebook.com. This is the central dashboard for Meta Business Suite. Once it loads, select your Facebook page. If you manage more than one, take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct page, since the inbox you're about to see is tied to that specific page. Choosing the right one ensures you'll be looking at the correct conversations and won't miss messages meant for another brand or location. With the page selected, look to the left-hand menu and click Inbox. This opens the Unified Inbox view. Front and center, you'll see your conversation list. Across the top or along the side, you'll find sections for Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and comments. Messenger shows private chats with people who reached out on Facebook. Instagram DMs shows private messages from your connected Instagram account. Comments gathers public comments from your Facebook and Instagram posts so you can review engagement and context right beside your messages. To work on any conversation, click it. The message thread opens and you can type a reply right away. Use reactions when a quick acknowledgement is enough, like a thumbs up, to confirm you've seen a message. If you're collaborating with a team, assign the conversation to the right person so everyone knows who owns the follow-up. Assigning prevents duplicate replies and makes it easier to track accountability as messages move through your workflow. When you need to focus, use the filters. Unread shows conversations you haven't opened yet, which is perfect for triaging new messages. Follow-ups highlights threads that have been marked for additional attention, helping you circle back after you gather info or wait on a customer response. Assign shows conversations grouped by owner, so each teammate can jump straight to what they're responsible for. Work through unread first, check assign to confirm ownership, and revisit follow-ups to keep promises on track. That's all there is to it. By going to business.facebook.com, selecting your page, opening the inbox, reviewing Messenger, Instagram DMs, and comments, clicking messages to reply, react, or assign, and managing your view with filters, you'll handle customer communication efficiently, all from one place.